Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what we're going to do is talk about how to build an email list while creating $300 plus per day with this great opportunity. I'm going to be doing a ton of reviews about this opportunity. Why? Because it's one of the things that actually took me from making $0 to over $300 plus per day within the online space. And if you guys haven't heard of List Infinity, this is going to be a List Infinity review, but I'm going to go into some of the most common questions that I'm receiving. And not only that, I'm going to show you guys how this system can allow you to start generating unlimited amount of leads and also sales on a consistent basis. And what you're looking at right now is some more payments that came in from this opportunity. With this opportunity, you're going to be able to get $25 payments, $50 payments, and $100 payments. But one of the things that I also love about this is that you can start off with a free account to get it set up and to see how it works before you actually commit to utilizing the system to start receiving payments. So here, what you can see is some of the payments that I received, and I had some $100 payments came in, $50 here, and $100 here, $50 here, and the list keeps going because, again, this is a system that actually works. And as long as you follow the training, and not only that, just go along with some of the recommended tips that I give you, you will see that consistently you'll be building your email list. And not only that, you'll have those $50, $100 payments, $25 payments coming very consistently. This is a low ticket opportunity, so it's not going to pay big bucks. But let me tell you guys, those $100 payments, they add up quick. Those $25 payments, they add up quick. And you can actually use free traffic to start generating these ongoing sales. So one of the things that I wanted to let you guys know is that when you could connect this to your Aweber, because you are going to be building your list through Aweber, the email swipes are going to automatically get generated with your information for your sales page. So when you go into your autoresponder into your Aweber, you don't need to copy and paste any of the email swipes. That's going to be done for you. What happens is that when you connect your information from List Infinity to Aweber, it automatically translate all of that information over to you utilizing your sales page. So you don't have to worry about knowing how to create emails, how to enter your information for your emails. You're going to notice that that information is going to be there for you. And then one of the things that you can do is if you go to lead capture pages, okay, and I recommend opening up a different browser. Okay, so we're going to go to Internet Explorer. You can open up a different browser. You can take your copy and paste one of your lead capture pages, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into another browser, paste that link, hit enter, paste that link in, and then what you're going to see is your capture page is going to come up. Now, you can use an email address that you have access to, or maybe a friend of yours that has an email address, right? You put that information in here. So I'm just putting one in here so you guys can see how this works, and click here to continue. Once you click that, you can go into your Aweber and you will notice that that email that you put in is going to now be a part of your email list. So what does that mean? That person, whoever put in that email, is going to start to get emails from you about this opportunity. And you're going to notice that that is going to just happen. It's not something that you have to sit and create, come up with emails or anything like that. And that's really cool. Now, when a person puts in their information, they're going to see whatever sales page you decide to use. This is one that I'm using that has the proof on it. We also have a Facebook group that has tons of proof in it of people that are getting payments. We also have a chat room that you can get into where people are having conversations about the system, and we're giving each other tips and also advice and things to do, and also sharing results there as well. And then it'll show the different capture pages that we have. We have some new capture pages that has just been added. And I do talk about this in one of my other videos. This is a part of a playlist. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see the other videos where I'll go over the different capture pages that we have and how that's important and you know what to do with the capture pages. So you'll have all of these different options for the capture pages. And then when you upgrade to a pro, as a pro member, which is a one-time payment of $100 one time, you're going to get access to all of these different trainings and information for the free vacation that you're going to receive once you are a pro member. Now, once a person clicks create your free account, people want to know how are they going to know it's me? How do people know that they're signing up with me? When you create the free account, it's going to give the information for the person that referred you. So you want to make sure that your sponsor information is at the bottom of this page. If your sponsor's information is here, when you create your free account, it's going to let me get notified that you created a free account. And not only that, I'm going to also be notified when you decide to upgrade to a paid member. Okay. So yes, this is how a person will know and make sure that they are signing up with you, because your name is going to be at the bottom of the page when they create their free account. Okay. So from the moment that they create their free account, they're going to go in and they're going to follow the system setup guide. Now, I want to go over this as well, because I'm going to tell you what's really important and the things that you don't have to focus on right away. You want to connect your autoresponder. The reason why is you are building your list. You build your list through your autoresponder. The autoresponder that they're using is Aweber. Okay, so that's the first thing that you want to do. Now, the bridge page, that is just a video, right? Where you're like, hi, my name is Amanda. I want to just introduce to you, tell you a little bit about myself and about this amazing system, what it's all about, and how it works. And what you're doing is you're giving them a little bit of information about you before they go to the sales page. Now, if you are afraid of video marketing, you're not ready or quite there yet, you can skip the bridge page. And one of the things you'll notice is that I am making money without the bridge page, because the bridge page is not super important. It's not one of those things that is going to really make you or break you when it comes to creating momentum online. You know, people are like, I don't want to do the bridge page, or they think they're not going to make money if they don't have the bridge page. That's not true. If you decide not to do the bridge page, that's perfectly fine. I don't use it. Okay. So that's the other thing. Import your email campaign. So now this is where you're going to have all of those emails sent over to your autoresponder. And like I said, you are not creating these emails. You do not have to write these emails. You do not have to add your link. From the moment I set up my account, when I went and checked my Aweber, everything had transported over to my autoresponder. And that's what you want. You want it to be where it just happens, so that this isn't a skill set or something that you have to learn. And that's one of the reasons why I love Listnfinity, is because it is one of those plug and play, get going, build your business. It doesn't have to take a year to get the system set up. Setting up your payment processor is important because you want to get paid. Once you are a paid member, you now want people to pay you. You want to create a business out of this. You want it to be ongoing payments coming in. You cannot do that unless you set up your payment processor. So you definitely want to take time to set up your payment processor. This is going to take you like 20 minutes to do. It's not no long drawn out thing where it's going to take forever or something really hard to learn. Okay. They're going to show you step by step how to set this up. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. Now here you can activate your income streams. If you want, what you're going to do is you're going to put in all of your information for your income streams. So your link for your Aweber, your link for Leads Leap, if you're using that, your link for Udemy. So when people decide to use any of these things, any of these income streams, you're going to get paid for them. As you can see, I'm not making really any money with them because I don't have any links here. At some point, I am going to put my links. I'm going to show you guys how to sign up and set these things up we'll do it step by step in this training, because again, this is a part of a playlist where I'm going to show you how to do everything so you can see how simple it is to do it. So all we're going to do is hit the sign up link. If you want to do the Facebook automation suite, you're going to sign up here. You're going to put your link here. You're all set with that. You want to use quick funnels. You're going to sign up here. You're going to put your affiliate link there. You're going to use Aweber. You're going to sign up. Once you sign up for Aweber, that's where you're building your email list. You're going to put your affiliate link there. And as you can see, I haven't set this up yet, but it's very easy to do. And there is a step-by-step video on how to do it. So even if you don't know how to do it, just watch the video and it's going to show you how to do it, where to find your link, and you're going to copy and paste your link into this area. Okay. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into add your affiliate offers. If you are a part of any other opportunity that you completely love, you believe in, you want people to know more about it, you're going to enter your title for that opportunity. You're going to enter your description, enter your referral link. And then what you're going to notice is once you hit add, it's going to show up here. So we are going to take a day and I'm going to enter in an opportunity and I'm going to put the information in to give you an idea of what to enter and what to put into these details. And then you're going to hit add and you're going to see that information show up here under title and options. You can always edit, delete, or move it up if you want to. This again will be something that people will see when they decide to join your business opportunity. Okay. Add your tracking pixels. This is something that can wait. This is more of an advanced training that you really want to get into at some point. It is not needed in order for you to make money. I do not use the pixels as of yet. I just let the traffic come in and then I'm building my business from the email list that's happening from the traffic that's coming to my link. Okay. So I just wanted to go over these things. These are the main things that you have to set up. Some of them you can leave out. It's not going to make or break you when it comes to building this business and building your email list. We are striving to get you set up as quickly as possible, get you plugged in so you can start accumulating the traffic, and that traffic can convert into sales. Okay. So I just wanted to go over that in this video. If you're interested in more about this, even sign up for a free account. In the description below is the link to get started. If you want to reach out to me and have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. My phone number is there as well. You can reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thanks, guys.